uLesedi is still young, not 22 years old, and uLesedi is a strong independent woman, a leader in her community. You see, once upon a time, uLesedi decided ukuthi ukhathele ukuhlala ekhaya and she wanted a job. She ran off eyotshena ugogo wakhe ukuthi gogo ucela ungizama ngomsebenzi sengathele ukuhlala ekhaya and doing nothing. Ngidla imali yakho. And so ugogo washo uthi no man. Ufundile? Do you have a degree? Wavuma uLesedi wathi yes gogo ngifundile, you see gogo ngiqualified, I have a diploma in information technology le engayithola eRosebank College ePulukwane. Remember this because it's very important to our story. Wajabula ugogo ebona ukuthi ingane yakhe inayo qualification, ifundile iIT, i-information technology. Wayesebuza kugogo ukuthi no man, unayo working experience? Wavuma uLesedi wathi yes gogo nginayo work experience, you see sengike ngasebenza for 1 year as manager in sales and marketing esikoleni sami eRosebank College, and I also volunteered. I was lucky enough to be chosen ukuthi ngiyosebenza in the Department of Ministers office kodwa into short term, and I was a volunteer futhi nakhona. Wajabula ugogo eseza ukuthi ingane yakhe ine work experience, and so she agreed ukusiza uLesedi ukuthi athole umsebenzi. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi what kind of job did uLesedi get? It's deep, it's very deep. uLesedi, at the age of 22, she was recently appointed as the Chief of Staff for the Department of Social Development la eSouth Africa, efakwa ugogo wakhe uSisisi Tholashe. Ubehola imali engango 1.4 million a year. Hayibo ngavele ngashisela. Hayibo. She was the Chief of Staff for the Department of Social Development. Hayibo. uLesedi wanikwa iposition yokuthi abe in control of the Department of Social Development la eSouth Africa, and lento fresh. It's not indaba yale ngo 2000, no, lento recent. Hlakanipha ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi kunama rules when it comes to getting umsebenzi onje. I-employment management rules commonly require an NFQ level 7 qualification, yes, and around 5 years experience in the middle or senior management level before ukwazi ukuba i-chief of staff. Kodwa uLesedi wakujomba konke lokho yena waqhamuka esebekwa phezulu kwathiwa akaphathe iDepartment of Social Development la eSouth Africa. Mina nawe sibuza umbuzo wodwa right now ukuthi leli tiye aliphuzayo uLesedi lijule kanjani, lifakwe ushukela noma lifakwe ihani, linawo ama-scones. How did she do it? Lalela ke because ngizokutshela and ngifuna uunderstand. Ugogo kaLesedi is not just any regular grandmother like owami nowakho. Understand ukuthi from the very beginning she is very connected. Understand ukuthi uLesedi ukuze athole lo msebenzi enikwa ugogo wakhe, wevela uLesedi engaphuzi itiye, engaphuzi ikhofu, ephuza icappuccino mntanami, icappuccino ene-foam, enama-scones eceleni, icappuccino efakwe ihani, wena usabhizi ufuna ushukela. This is ugogo kaLesedi. It is uSisisi Tholashe, i-Minister of Social Development. Understand ke mntomnyama ukuthi le cappuccino ephuzwa kulomndeni ijulile because in order for uLesedi to get lo msebenzi she had to give iCV yakhe to umalume uGwakho. uGwakho works as a special advisor to the Minister of Social Development, ugogo wakhe. Understand ukuthi le CV ya travel yazi yafika kuZanele Simmons, who was the Chief of Staff ngaleso sikhathi. This is uZanele Simmons, the one owaye Chief of Staff, the one owasuswa ukuze kufakwe uLesedi. But understand ukuthi akaphelelwa ngomsebenzi, wakhushulwa and then iposition yakhe kwafakwa uLesedi. uZanele was the one who forwarded the CV, making sure ukuthi HR yayithola le CV yaLesedi, making sure ukuthi bayamqasha no matter what happens. At the age of 22, wangena kuLesedi into power, wangena in the office, wabe leader i-Department of Social Development, wahola imali engango 1.4 million. Yaqala ke impilo yaLesedi yabamnandi because imali was flowing. She was the one who was in charge of imali eningi. She was the one futhi owayehola imali engango 1.4 million. Impilo yaqala yamnandi for uLesedi, ne-level yokuphila yaqala yamnandi because phela vele imali yonke ibibuzwa kuyena. But unfortunately, because una 22 waqala waposta eveza impilo yakhe, and people started asking questions ukuthi, how did you get this job, Lesedi? The one person owayethi mebuzwa ngayo yonke lento ahluleke ukuprovide ama-answer kunalokho avikele uLesedi, it was uPeter, the current Director General of i-department. Yazi, a few weeks ago, an internal audit was done. Befuna ukwazi ukuthi is uLesedi qualified for the position, and then they found out that no man, uLesedi is not qualified for the position, and so she was removed from that particular position later yona as a chief of staff. And then nokuthi aboshwe, she was reassigned into a different position, a low-paying position umabesho. Kodwa le position yakhe kwathiwa yena uzobe private security for imini. That means she's responsible for security yagokwakhe uSisisi Toloshe. Yes. Mesuyayibuza ukuthi how can someone be given a position as a private security ye minister engenawo ngisho security company engenawo ngisho experience kulento le? But I'm sure bazokwenza uplan. They always do. Siwumphakathi wase South Africa sikhala ngokuhlupheka, sikhala ngemsebenzi, sifuna impilo engcono, kodwa khona abantu abafakwa kuma positions of power bengekho qualified, bene diploma in IT kuphela. Allegedly akukho ngisho yedwa oke wayithi vu le ndaba kubantu, akukho ngisho yedwa oke wazama ke mhlawumbe ukuthi asazise. Ngisho ithemba lethu, our last hope, the hero to the black community, nalo lathula lathi du, how zero inkinga uthini manje bazomqweba.